I have these button cell lights I got a while back. I did a video on them, but I wanted to make another flashlight. So I have this block. I took a couple of popsicle sticks and glued them on with Gorilla Glue, and then glued a handle on it. My idea is that this would be a handheld spotlight or flashlight or lantern. After coloring it with my black Sharpie, and then I super glued it to the block of wood, and it turned out pretty nice. It was a quick and easy project. I added a couple of gems here for buttons, and the thing I like about this is that if you turn it, it'll turn on, and then the light itself you can tilt up or down. And this being a square block, you can position it on its side and have it pointing to one side or the other, or on its back pointing up from one direction or another. This was just a quick, easy project, and I thought it would be a great addition to great equipment for one of my team. Very easy project, just took me less than an hour to put together. Well, that's all I have for you. Just a very quick, easy project. Thought I'd share it with you. Don't forget to click that like button if you like this video. And please share it with a friend or somebody who you would think would like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.